UltraCharge introduces the next generation in high-voltage, cobalt-free lithium-ion batteries. The 4.7-volt high-energy, high-power battery uses a unique, cost-effective technology that delivers excellent power output at a 20 to 30% reduction in cost and a 30 to 50% increase in range. UltraCharge's novel approach uses a cobalt-free cathode, thus eliminating the high cost and supply chain risks of cobalt. The battery's ultra-fast charging and stable voltage profile makes it ideal for the UAV market, 2- and 3-wheeled EV market, as well as power tools. UltraCharge is an Israeli company with limited in-house production that leads the way in developing lithium-ion battery technologies that work today in today's world. Our mission is to provide faster, safer, and more sustainable battery technologies that create life-changing improvements for the planet.